Take 69. So we have to first click
WCF
here, and here we have to search WCF
certification,
certification.
create
Just name the project anything the fuck you
services.
want.
Okay, create.
Click on create. It will take some time because of PC
Take
is
some
slow as
time
our friend.
and it will throw you out from the Visual Studio. And then it will give you a fucking different kind of code structure. Then you have to create another one. See, it has kicked me
Now
out
you will see one
successfully.
screen. Just click
Okay,
here on
so
the
this is where we
grade
have to do the
services.
thing. So
You
this
have to click
thing
on
we
the grade
have.
services. Right click. अरे
Okay,
क्या
first
कर
we
रहे
have
थे?
to just delete this, which is of nothing. You okay, simply delete this files and then add
Click
a simple
service
new
reference.
item
Not
which
service
is
reference. WCF.
WCF. Go to WCF. Okay, WCF. My mistake. Sorry. Okay, WCF service. Enter. Then this will come. This is what we exactly wanted. So first of all, we have to define a contract in order to work here, which is SVC file. We cannot work directly here. We have to first define our web service, our web operation contract, like what are we doing here. So for this, we have to just do the same thing, void
This
instead
is
of
just we are calling
WA0,
the function.
get
अबे सच में ना
wait,
ये तो वही चीज हो गई ना
yeah,
कॉल करना फंक्शन को.
and physics marks, physics, comma, int, maths, comma, int, yeah. Okay, so this is how we just define our operation contract. After defining operation contract, we just have to go here, alt enter here, and then we have to implement interfaces. Like here you can see we have successfully implemented this get date method, and here we have to just write our own logic for the code. So for now we will just check if conditions like if physics
Yeah,
equal
we will
equal.
only just copy paste.
I
Just
will just
copy
copy
paste the
paste it.
whole
Okay.
thing.
For that, we have to just go here, go to classroom,
Can you repeat?
then go to web service classes. Simply go to practical number 8,
Cut.
practical 8,
Lemon
practical 8.
ऊपर और वो
Scroll all the
प्रैक्टिकल
way down.
लाइट. क्यों कर रहा है भाई, क्यों बोल रहा है गूगल डॉक्स? इससे भी हो जाता है
Scroll all
कॉपी.
the way down. अरे कॉपी करूंगा तो वहाँ पे वो सेमी वो आते हैं कोड्स आते हैं स्किल्स. Scroll all the
मेरे
way
में कभी
down.
नहीं आते.
Copy this web contract like we did. Oh, sorry, we opened some another practical. My bad. It is actually practical 9, I guess.
7.
7, practical 7. It's a day full of mistakes.
But
Okay, so we just have to copy this operation contract once again. Copy, go here and define again. Here we will just define operation contract again. Okay, and then here also we have to remove this and add this again. This implemented this. Okay, fine. Copy paste. We'll go here, copy the logic as we are as we always do. Copy and paste. Simply paste. Okay.
Google Drop Spaces.
To work. Okay. Okay. I guess there is some mistake now.
yes, there is public void to work, and there we have to return human in
Wait,
right
wait,
there.
wait. Okay. Just simply implement interfaces. Okay, this is fine. Fine.
So to copy it,
We have to make sure that everything is copied perfectly so that we just don't
you have to copy it.
we have to copy till here only.
Yes.
Sorry.
Do it same in the exam also.
Okay, fine. We have successfully created a website. Just simply open the website.
The program.
पार्थ भाई पार्थ ओपी भाई पार्थ ओपी
We get that in the
Guys, super
In
chat
a
करो
WCF
guys.
test line, in the WCF test line, we'll have to just copy this address and visit this address in a Chrome browser or anything whichever you like or you're familiar with. Okay, then simply use this svcutil.exe's WSDL file. Copy this WSDL file. We'll be requiring this to create a client. So let's move on to creating a client for our web service. So we'll just open another instance of Visual Studio. Then we'll just create a simple new project, and here for the now, as we are creating a simple web page, so we will choose w instead of wcf. We will just use asp.net web application for a simple web project. Name it as client. Sorry, create, and make sure you configure uncheck this configure for http empty, and then create. Wait for a second. After a couple of seconds, it will just throw you to a new project. Okay, we are done. And here we will have to add one client reference. So for that, we just have to add, and
Add
then here service reference, and
service.
in the service reference, we have to copy the we have to paste the copied URL, and then we have to just
Go,
click on
go.
go. Okay, we have discovered the web services, and it is here. Just click over here, and you can see the operations
Okay.
that are performed over there. Just take the operations, and you are good to go.
You are
Okay, you are good to go. Then we have to create a web form
web
for the
form.
user interface. For that, for UI, you just have to again add item, new item, and then simple is a web form. Add. Okay,
So the voice you are hearing is our senior teacher.
is
His
our
name is
senior teacher.
Sanskar Bhushan.
Her name is Mrs. Sanskar Bhusankar. She is very good. She is very clever. She knows how to dig, how to lick a dish.
Bhusakar.
She knows everything well.
You
She
were
is
somewhat gouty while taking a name. Sanskar Bhusankar.
okay. So we have to copy this as we are. Okay, we'll have to copy this user interface code, which is simple.aspx file.
Of
Okay, we'll
Asp
go here and then we'll just
Net.
paste it as it is. You can see in the design view, like here,
Sir, but
uh,
in exam, where
That's
will
from
we get this code?
you will
that's
get
the
in Mahavir sir's cabin. You just have to open that PC, which IP address is 192.168.2.2. You just have to access that PC. You will get everything. Okay, and after
But sir,
that,
he will bang our asses when we do this.
so you have to pay something to get the things. So you have to get your ass banged.
What did
Nothing
you
can go.
paid, sir? What did you paid, sir?
Okay, here we just have to click here, paste this as our web service name is service reference. So we will just write as it is service
Where did you
reference
get
one.
this? Okay,
Okay,
okay, yes,
okay, and
sir.
here also we will just write service reference one, and we are good to go. Simple as it is. So we'll just run this project and check whether we have created a web service in a client like we wanted to, and we have successfully implemented our practical number 8. So let's wait
No,
for some time.
it is still not completed, guys. It's loading now.
Now it's
Yes,
it's
yes.
it's completed, baby. You just have to see for the condition like whether you have failed or not. So we will enter Sanskar's marks and we will find read. So you can see Sanskar has already failed .NET.